Scots last year, and I've wanted to do this tutorial for a while now because I just love this sock bun, and I've read about it on YouTube and I thought I could do that. It took me a few practices to get it right. I got a comment on Beauty Bulletin the other day. She asked if I used a shitload of hairspray, and I actually don't use any product in my hair when I do my sock bun. I actually use it when I want to condition my hair, like deep condition my hair, and I want to leave the conditioner in my hair. I use either the Organic Hair Repair in my hair, or I simply put in coconut oil. I massage it into my scalp, put a little bit on the end, put my sock bun in, and I'm good to go for the day. I'm going to show you how I do it. So first, I get an old sock and I cut the toes off, like that. And once I've done that, I use the end that I've cut off, I roll that first. So I'll start rolling the sock right to the very end. And when you get to the heel bit, it's always a bit tricky because the heel sort of sticks out. So just continue rolling it on that side and not the other side. You can see what I mean. When you get to the heel, it has this sticky out bit. So you just keep sticking it in and rolling on the one side for a few turns, and then continue rolling right to the end. Now you can buy these at Woolies these days, but this, I figured out the sock bun way before the retail stores had these foam little donuts to buy. So, and I never really bought them, so I don't know how effective they are, because I still use my sock. Now because I've got particularly thin hair, I've got a lot of hair but it's thin, I use quite a skinny sock. You can see it's not a bulky sock, and this is how the donut will look at the end. It's quite small donut. It's not like those big donuts in the shop. I don't like those big buns, and also I've got a bit of a small head, so I want a wee neat bun, a little sock bun. Firstly, you tie your hair in a very high pony on top of your head. Actually, I like the bun high on my head. Some people like it a wee bit further down at the back, so it all depends on your taste and what your preference is. But I like mine pretty high up, so I put my high pony in with a nice tight elastic to keep it firm in place. You take your hair, like you're going to tie a normal ponytail with it, pull the hair through and move the donut right up to the end of your hair. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then once you've got all your hair at the top of the donut, you tuck it through the donut like that, and you start turning the bun down. Now as you turn the bun down, you're spreading the hair out and tucking it under to keep it neat. Now as you move down the bun, the hair will automatically come and close up round the sock. So you keep your hair nice and tight, keep pushing the hair in. You can make it quite messy because some people like the messy look, but I like it quite neat. So you just keep pushing your hair up through the bun, keeping it tight, keeping it neat, turning the bun down, turning it down. Make sure that your elastic and your hair is kept nice and tight towards your scalp, otherwise you're going to get pieces falling out like I just did. Then you keep turning, pushing in with your thumbs, keep turning, pushing in with your thumbs until you get right down to your scalp. And there you have your sock bun, and it's as easy as that. And let me tell you, this bun ain't going anywhere. I've actually ran on the treadmill with this bun at gym, so it's actually not going to fall out. I don't need any clips. As you can see, you might want to, because I've got like flyaway hair here, you might want to spritz a little bit of hairspray and make it all neat and push it down a little bit. But I quite like the fuzzy look. And then of course it also helps if you've got bangs, a fringe. And yeah, now I love my little sock bun, and as you can see it took me all of a couple of minutes to do that, and it looks nice for work and it looks nice to go out. So You could dress it up or dress it down. So that's how to do a soft bun. Bye beauties!